PBA Semifinals, Ginebra kontra Rain or Shine, Game 1. First thing na mapapansin natin, yung style difference. Ginebra often took time on their offense. Makikita nyo lagi silang shot clock winding down bago tumira. And it results to some bad shot attempts kung walang napupuntahan yung kanilang sets. Samantalang yung Rain or Shine is, after nung mintes ni Thompson, andun na agad si Mamu and gets a foul. Ito, maganda yung nangyari sa Ginebra. Ball movement for Aguilar. Pero after that, tuloy pa rin yung Rain or Shine and nabawi agad nila yung 2 points from Jalen Johnson and 1 pa. Tapos, if you don't take care of the basketball against Rain or Shine, matik yung transition game nila. Kasi kahit sino may green light to run the floor and attack. 2 points na naman. Medyo naoontian lang ako sa touches ni RJ Abarrientos dito sa simula for Ginebra. Nangyayari pa nga is kapag napunta na lang sa kanya yung bola is doon na lang siya magde-decide na he will get this possession. Dito, pinara niya yung offense to play screen action, handoff, puntos para kay RJ. Kasi for me, tuwing hawak niya yung bola, mas mataas yung rate na maganda yung nangyayari sa Ginebra. Not only taking shots but involving his teammates. Pero malaki yung napundar ng Rain or Shine na lamang courtesy of their fast-paced action. Pero in the second quarter, it's gonna be an ironic turn of events. Kasi alam nyo kung paano nakahabol yung Ginebra, the style of Rain or Shine, nung hindi na sila nagtitake ng time sa shot clock. Nung sila naman yung may transition game. Here, Justin Brownlee, pumukol agad sa labas. 4-point shot yan. Here, Gray is realizing na feeling ng Rain or Shine, magsiset sila. Ayun, nag-leak out siya for the easy 2 points. Again, early offense para sa Ginebra. May naiwan sa Ross pero pupukol si Gray sa malayo. Another 4-pointer para sa Ginebra. And they are back in the game. And Karakut, coming from a breakout game, is feeling asleep today. On defense, stagnant siya, leaving Pinto for the 3-point shot. It happened 2 times and we need Karakut to expose defenses like if match up niya si RJ, pero ang nangyayari, he is passive and not looking to attack him. Ginebra is up at the half. To start the final period, alat na nga ng shooting, bad close out pa for Karakut. Iniwas niya na to pero F1 pa rin dahil talaga sa landing spot. What a sequence to add that to your bad night. Tas iinit yung shot making ni na Justin Brownlee at RJ Abarrientos. Tingnan nyo yung mga magagandang nangyari for Ginebra is when they let the strengths of their players kick in. Tas yun nga, Ginebra pa yung merong mga leak out dito. Pinto, another 2 points para sa Ginebra. But Jalen Johnson, staying calm and confident, hits a back-to-back 3-point shot para maibaba sa isa yung lamang ng Ginebra. Pero babawi na naman yung duo ni Brownlee at RJ. JB in the post, 2 points. Then RJ Abarrientos hits a 3-point shot. Pero Rain or Shine did not put their shoulders down. Simple decoy pointing na they're going to the left wing or sa corner, pero Mamuyak goes to the right and goes for the end one layup. Pero ibang klase talaga yung scoring ni RJ eh. Another big 3-pointer para sa kanya and akala ng lahat para na to sa Ginebra. But Jalen Johnson, grabe lang. What can you say? All heart, what an import. Cold-blooded 4-pointer. Wow. And despite him having a 40-point night, dito sa next possession, naging unselfish pa rin siya. Swing the ball to the corner, Clarito for the 3-point shot. And also, yung defense ni Mamuyak kay RJ Abarrientos. Ilang beses silang natitirahan pero dito sa most important shot, he blocks it. Pero Scottie Thompson putting some life sa Ginebra. Nagkaroon na yan ng bukol after ng fight for the ball and hits a 4-pointer. Pero sa foul game, buo ang loob ni Clarito to sink both free throws. And they just defended the 4-point shot of Ginebra to take game 1. What a show para sa atin. No negative end game words. Just good game.